Do you like the whipped cream cheese but don't want to spend that extra money? Well, today I'm going to show you how to take the block of cream cheese and make it into the whipped soft cream cheese. Let's get started. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. In today's recipe, we're going to show y'all how to take the block of cream cheese and make yourself some whipped cream cheese without spending all that extra money. You can use a block of cream cheese, and I'm going to show you in today's video how to turn it into whipped cream cheese that'll spread on bagels, celery, toast, whatever you like to use it on. It's a lot more easier to spread when you do it this way. So let's get started. Today we're going to make this one with herbs. We're going to use chives, salt, and some garlic. So you can make it sweet or savory. Let's get started. Okay, you'll need a bowl to mix it up in. And you can either use room temperature cream cheese or just take it straight out of the fridge and the blender will do the work for you. So today we're going to use this whole block, and you can cut your recipe in half and use only a half a block. But today we're going to go ahead and I'm going to make the whole block because I like having it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just take my spoon and start working it and trying to break it up a little. Okay, I've got it pretty much broke up, so I'm going to go ahead now and just use the blender just a few seconds before we start adding the other ingredients. Okay, we're going to go ahead now and turn the mixer off and add just a little bit of milk. Adding just a little bit more. I've already blended it just a little. Thought I had the camera on and I didn't. But now we're just going to keep on and we're going to start blending. And yes, you can buy the whipped cream cheese at the store, but you do pay more for it. And I just think it's good for us to know how to do different things, like our homemade heavy cream video, or homemade buttermilk. So if you're wanting some cream cheese to put like on cucumbers, celery, even maybe bagels, you don't have to pay extra for that whipped cream cheese. You can take that block of cream cheese and just a little bit of milk and make your own at home. Okay, now that you've got your cream cheese the way the texture you're looking for, you can go ahead now and add your other ingredients. Today we're going to add just a little bit of chives, a little salt, and a teaspoon of minced garlic. And now we're just going to give that a good mix. We'll put just a few more chives in it. just going to put our whipped cream cheese in our container. And that way we'll have it ready when we get ready for it. Keeping it in this airtight container is an easy way to store it. So there you can make an easy type homemade whipped cream cheese yourself using the block of cream cheese that you already have. And now we're just going to add some everything but the bagel. Now that right there is a easy little snack to make. And an easy way to make your own whipped cream cheese. I hope y'all give this a try. And if you like the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.